Welcome to Publicis Sapient. I'm Julia and I work in product.
I'm Rahul. I'm a software engineer.
I'm Maria and I'm one of the software engineering grads.
I'm Anisha and I worked in product.
My advice for incoming grads would be to have fun. You're a learner, no one expects you to know everything immediately. You shouldn't be scared about going into work and making a mistake. Everyone is really helpful in making sure that you're learning what you need to learn.
So my advice to incoming grads would be, make sure you put yourself out there. There's a lot of different people to experience and you can move between a lot of different areas within the company. That's one of the really unique things about Publicis Sapient. You can take your career wherever you want to take it.
As cliche as it sounds, ask loads of questions. Even if they're big or small, chances are someone is probably thinking the exact same thing. And everyone's so nice, so you always get an answer.
So my advice for incoming grads would be not to be afraid to ask any questions and voice what you're passionate about. If there's anything in particular you want to achieve, just say it, and the early careers team and PS will try their best to make it happen.